So many states in the United States have changed their cannabis laws in the recent years. When these changes happens, there needs to be an organization that makes sure everything is done safely and legally. So in Virginia, there's an organization that does this thing that is called the Virginia Cannabis Control Authority, or the CCA. So the CCA is responsible for regulating cannabis in the state and making sure that all the businesses in Virginia follows these rules. It also helps educate people about cannabis and promote a safely use and responsible, of course. So the agency plays an important role in protecting public safety while managing a growing industry. So as cannabis is more common every day in lot of the states, this organization help to make sure that laws are followed correctly and the community stay informed with these laws. So understanding what the CCA does can help us better understand how cannabis is regulated in Virginia and why this agency and all the agencies in the other states are important.